What's the meaning of center-right? Center-right. Center-right.
Center-right. Center-right. Center-right refers to a political ideology that is situated between the center and the right of the political spectrum. It typically represents a moderate conservative approach that upholds free market principles, individualism, and traditional values, while also supporting government intervention in certain areas such as national defense, law enforcement, and social welfare. Center-right parties often espouse a pragmatic approach to governance and seek to balance economic growth with social stability. They generally oppose radical leftist or far-right ideologies and aim to appeal to a broad base of voters, including both business-oriented and socially conservative groups.